And number two, prophecy interpretation, location, very important. Is the passage located on earth? Well, usually you can tell that if it says north, south, east, or west. Those are all relative to Israel. That means that it is talking about on earth, not in heaven. Otherwise, it's located in heaven. And usually it's talking about the throne of God and the abode of God, or where the angels are. That is a location that's in heaven. So number two, prophecy is make sure you know the contextual location of the passage. Is this talking about heaven, or is it talking about on earth? And keep them very separate. Very important. So the idea here is if it's direction and it says northeast, southwest, those directions are from Jerusalem. It's easy to think in terms of northeast, southwest in America, especially here in Oklahoma, since we're right here in the middle of the United States. We think of the east coast, the west coast, but that's not biblical. Biblical is the direction from Jerusalem specifically. So when it's talking about north, you go north from there. If you're talking about east, you go east from there.